All right, good people, it's Nguvu for my run and gun firearms training. Today I'm trying to drill. I saw the brother Margaret Ingram run. He was at 10 yards, everything from concealment. So at the buzzer, you'll draw and fire 5 rounds on. He had a paper plate, so this is a 4x6 inch sticker. After 5 rounds on the center target, transition 1 round on the playing card, reload, and then 5 rounds on the second playing card while clearing a malfunction. So I'm going to try it done today. It's done. It's a cold drill, so there's no warming up. And I'm literally cold today. Temperature's dropping, so we'll see what happens. All right, draw 5 on the main target, transition 1 on a piece of paper or the playing card, reload 5 on the playing card while clearing a malfunction. Big flinch. So let's see what we got. And that was 10.9. So I've got my 5 hits, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits on my center target, my 1 hit right there on the playing card, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits there. Oh, let me back up so you can see that. There you go. So you can see I have 5 hits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus a big flinch.
Start steam, what you know about BM16, yeah, you're 16, the clip 16, what you know about the AK 47, the X9 and the Mark 11, what you